Are you ready for a thrilling adventure into the unseen and unheard corners of our world? Join us on a journey to some of the most mysterious and breathtaking locations, hidden away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. From the deep, unexplored caves of Belize to the whispering sands of the Gobi Desert, we'll take you on an unforgettable expedition. With exclusive access and unheard stories, our exploration promises to be an unforgettable experience. Get ready to feed your wanderlust and discover the hidden gems that awaits about the mysterious Lake Natron in Tanzania. In the heart of Tanzania, nestled within the eastern branch of the East African Rift, lies a geological marvel known as Lake Natron. Today we're going to take you on an extended journey to explore this enigmatic lake, its unique wildlife, and the human stories linked with its existence. Lake Natron is a product of tectonic activity that also gave birth to the Ngorongoro Highlands and Mount Gelai. This terminal lake, where water flows in but does not drain out, has over time accumulated high concentrations of salt and other minerals, creating an environment with a pH as high as 10.5 and temperatures reaching up to 60 degrees. Nestled between rolling volcanic hills and deep craters, Lake Natron sits at the lowest point of the Rift Valley, 600 meters above sea level, and is probably the world's most caustic body of water. But what truly sets Lake Natron apart is its striking red coloration. This is due to cyanobacteria, a type of salt-consuming microorganism that requires photosynthesis to survive. The pigment of these cyanobacteria paints the water a vibrant red, creating a surreal and captivating scene. The red accessory photosynthesizing pigment in the cyanobacteria produces the deep reds of the open water of the lake and orange colors of the shallow parts of the lake. Despite its inhospitable conditions, Lake Natron supports a thriving ecosystem. It is the only regular breeding area for Africa's lesser flamingos and is home to some fish species such as alkaline tilapia, which can survive in the cooler parts of the lake. The lake also contains two endemic fish species, Alcolapia latilabris and Alcolapia ndalalani. You can also find Alcolapia alcalica at Lake Natron, but the species is not endemic. Lake Natron has also been the center of attention due to the phenomenon of animals being calcified in its waters, creating an eerie, mummified appearance. This is due to the lake's high soda and salt content, which can preserve the bodies of animals that die in its waters. Lake Natron is also a place of human culture and interaction. It is part of the traditional homeland for the Maasai people, where they pass on stories and lessons to generations through song, dance, and cultural traditions. The Maasai have always been special. Their bright red robes set them apart visually. Spear in hand, they are calm and courageous regardless of the danger. Unlike many other tribes in Kenya, the Maasai are semi-nomadic and pastoral. They live by herding cattle and goats. In terms of archaeological significance, just west of Lake Natron at Peninge, archaeologists discovered the Peninge or Natron mandible, an almost perfectly preserved fossil hominid jaw containing a complete set of adult teeth. The specimen has been assigned to Australopithecus boise. The lake's ecosystem and its flamingo population are currently threatened by a proposed hydroelectric power plant on the Iwazu-Ngiro. This threat underscores the need for continued conservation efforts to protect this unique ecosystem and its inhabitants. One of the project's most influential contributions has been a cost-benefit analysis, which showed that over a period of 50 years, soda ash mining would make a loss, while sustainable livelihoods and ecotourism would contribute to local and national economic growth. If you love to explore or passionate to take to this moment, the adventure has just begun. This lake has got you. Here are the few activities you would like to do. Visitors can cool off in any of the natural plunge pools that are located in front of the lodging, dining or bar areas. There is also a larger pool suitable for swimming further down the stream, as well as endemic cyclids, although the alluring lesser flamingo chooses to breed almost exclusively at Lake Natron. It feeds on the algae that is present in soda lakes all over Eastern Africa. Visitors can stroll to the lake flats in the early morning or late at night. The small streams, lakes and hills that make up the lake flats, which are located near the water's edge, offer a variety of hospitable habitats for the birds that thrive in the alkali oasis. Visitors can take walks in the morning or evening to the lake, pond and marsh to observe the birds. Within the concession area, visitors can stroll to the hominid footprint. These trackways are now known to be 120,000 years old, making them the oldest Homo sapiens trackways ever found. Visitors can set up an afternoon or full-day hike to the waterfalls in the Ngare Cerro Gorge. A unique combination of dry volcanic landscapes, lush vegetation and cool water makes this a refreshing and invigorating experience. You can climb the nearby Oldoinho Lengai volcano, which is an active volcano and the only known active volcano in the world that erupts carbonatite lava. If you think you were lost somewhere in the area, you can opt for guided walks. Around the destination include walking to the hominid footprints at Lake Natron, where well-preserved footprints of humans dated to about 5,000 to 12,000 years ago can be seen in the mud. Other walks around Lake Natron include walks to the Ngare Cerro Gorge, walks in the forest where giraffes can be seen. If you are physically motivated, why not go for a trek to the escarpment to explore attractions around Lake Natron? The activity starts early in the morning and takes about 4 to 5 hours whilst you are there. Why not go for a safari tour around Lake Natron to see the enormous flocks of flamingos along the shores of the lake, as well as other wildlife such as zebras, ostriches and fringed-eared. In conclusion, Lake Natron offers a variety of activities for tourists to engage in, from swimming and bird watching to hiking and safari tours. Visitors can explore the unique geological features of the lake, observe the thriving ecosystem of endemic algae, invertebrates and birds, and learn about the human culture and interaction with the lake. Thanks for watching. Please comment below, would you dare to explore the Lake Natron in Tanzania? Please subscribe our channel for more epic stuff.